Zion, close your door. Good boy. Good. How you open door? Open. Show me how you open door. Open. No, it's not opening. Open other door. Open that one. Open this door. This one. Open. Yeah. Is Zion's house? This Zion's house? Zion. That's Zion's sofa? Yeah? Zion, say I know. Say I know. No. Take it out of your mouth. Say I know. Say no. Say no. Say no. How you say no? Say okay. Say night night. Zion, how do you say night night? Night night. Say Gigya. Gigya. Uh-oh. Say daddy. Say it again. Zion, where'd you go? Where's Zion? Zion, where are you? I don't see Zion. Where? Where? I don't see you. Show me where you are. Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. You okay? You okay? Say yeah. Zion, say no. What happened? Why no? Sit in your sofa. Sit. Where are you pushing it? No. What do you think you're doing? Uh-oh. Hold on, let me help you. Okay, sit down so we can read book. Sit down. That's it. Stop. Look, here's your book. Here's your book. Turn and sit. Yay. Okay. Now show me how you read a book. Uh-oh. Here. Okay. In the great green room, Zion, pick up your book. And sit down and open it. Open book. And show me how you read book. No. Zion's bad boy? Why? Uh-oh.